Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Yolanda Pramesti with my student ID number 2024-32-103. So today in this video I would like to present my laboratory report entitled Implementation of an Intrusion Detection System using Port Sentry and Honeypot Theory on Kali Linux operation system. This presentation discuss how Port Sentry and Cowrie can be implemented to improve network security by detecting suspicious activities and monitoring attacker behavior. Computer networks are constantly exposed to various cyber threats. Before launching an attack, attackers usually collect information about their target. One of the most common techniques is port scanning, which is used to identify open ports and active service running on a server. If these activities are not detected, attacker may continue with more dangerous attacks such as brute force attack, malware installation, or system exfoliation. Therefore, implementing an intrusion detection system or IDS becomes very important. In this laboratory, we use Port Sentry as an IDS to detect port scanning activities and Cowrie Honeypot to simulate an SSH server and record attacker interaction. System designed to monitor network traffic and system activities in order to detect suspicious behavior or potential cyber attack. Unlike a firewall, which block unauthorized traffic, and IDS focus on monitoring, analyzing, and generating alert whenever abnormal activities are detected. In this laboratory, we use Port Sentry, a lightweight IDS application designed to detect port scanning attempts. We also implement Cowrie, which is an SSH and Telnet honeypot. Cowrie creates a fake server environment that tricks attacker into believing they have access a real system. The first step in this laboratory was installing Port Sentry on Kali Linux using the apt package manager. After the installation was complete, the Port Sentry service was enabled and start using the systemctl command. This allows the service to run automatically whenever the operation system starts. Next, we verified the service status to ensure that Port Sentry was running correctly. The output confirmed that the service was active and listening for incoming connection. To evaluate its performance, we performed a TCP SCN scan using Nmap from the Windows host machine. The scan target the Kali Linux virtual machine. The results show that Port Sentry successfully detected the scanned port we reported as filtered, while only the SSH port remained visible. This indicates that Port Sentry successfully recognized the recognizes activity and generate the appropriate logs. The generate logs contained important information including the attacker's IP address, protocol type, scanned ports, and detection status. After completing the PostEntry implementation, we continued with the installation of Cowry Honeypot. First, we create a dedicated user account named Cowry to isolate the application from the main operating system. Next, we download the official Cowry repository from GitHub and create a Python virtual environment to isolate all dependencies. After installing all required Python library using requirements.txt, we copied the default configuration file and customized it according to the laboratory requirements. Once the configuration was complete, Cowry was started successfully. To verify that the service was running properly, we checked the listening port using the ss command. The output confirmed that Cowry was actively listening for SSH connection. Before testing the honeypot, we verified network connectivity using the ping command from the Windows host. The ping test saw 0 packet loss, indicating that the network connection was stable. Finally, we analyzed the Cowry log files. The log recorded system startup information, Python version, Cowry version, connection attempts, authentication activities, and every interaction made by users connecting to the fake SSH server. This proves that Cowry successfully functioned as a honeypot capable of collecting valuable information about potential attacker. Based on the laboratory result, both applications performed successfully. PostEntry effectively detected port scanning attempts performed using Nmap and generate detailed log information for further analysis. Meanwhile, Cowry successfully simulated an SSH server and recorded every connection attempt without exposing the actual operation system. These two security tools complement each other. PostEntry focused on detecting recognized activity during the early stage of an attack, while Cowry captured the attacker's behavior after they attempt to access the system. By combining both technologies, administrators and monitors detect and analyze cyber threats more effectively. In conclusion, this laboratory demonstrates that both PostEntry and Cowry honeypot can be successfully implemented on Kali Linux to enhance network security. PostEntry provides an effective solution for detecting port scanning activity before attacker can continue with more advanced attack. On the other hand, Cowry acts as a fake SSH server that records attacker behavior without compromising the real system. The combination of these technologies support the connect of defense in depth, where multiple layers of security work together to improve the overall protection of a network. Finally, this laboratory helps us understand that modern cybersecurity is not only about preventing attack, but also about detecting, monitoring, recording, and analyzing suspicious activity to improve future security strategies. Thank you very much for your attention. My name is Yolanda Pramesti, 2024-3103. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.